What's going on, everybody? This is Cack and Balls, also known as Rockford Fosgate Old School or Old School Rockford Fosgate. I just woke up, tired. So I forgot the name of my darn YouTube channel. Anyway, I'm going to do something different here. This is for my 1970 Mustang Fastback. I've been having issues trying to fit my master cylinder and my brake booster on the Mustang. Part of the problem that I've had is that I had a CSRP kit that didn't fit quite right because the master cylinder would actually end up hitting the shock tower. So what I decided to do, let me get this out of here, was buy a shallower brake booster. So inside here, and this is the kit. This is a Pirate Jack kit from eBay. There's bubble wrap in here. So well packed. This was, I believe, $140 some. So we got packing over here as well. So plenty of bubble wrap. So let's pull this out. I believe this is going to be the master cylinder. And then this should be the booster. So let's pull this out, get rid of this. Actually, before I do that, there's some stuff in the bottom of this box. So there's a paper clip, and then the hardware stuff. I don't know how the paper clip ended up in here, but we got a free paper clip. So basically on here, this is going to be the equipment to bleed your brakes. Got little plugs here, and then a little clamp to hold it on to bleed your brakes. Put that off to the side. So we will start here. This is all busted out. So this is going to be the master cylinder, made in China. And I'm going to do a comparison video. I'm actually going to do it after I get done recording this video. And we're going to compare the Pirate Jack kit to the CSRP kit. And I'm going to show you guys and gals what I'm talking about in regards to it not fitting right. So master cylinder. That thing's pretty big. I hope that'll work. Interesting. There's brake lines here, and there's brake lines over here. So I'm not too sure what's going on with that. I may have ordered the wrong kit. But on their website, on eBay, it said that it's for a 1970 Mustang, amongst other years. So we're going to take a look at this. This has been, looks like it's been opened, because there's no tape coming down the side here. So the power, MBM, and power brakes. So and this is PB9007. 1M0620, made in Taiwan, which means it probably isn't going to last, but you know what? We have to deal with what we have to deal with, right? So here is the master cylinder, which is stuck in here pretty good. One thing I'm seeing that I'm not too happy with right now, there's no instructions, because I'm supposed to have a template to grind out these studs and stuff on my firewall, because my car was not originally set up with power disc brakes. So there's supposed to be a template that, because I don't have this provision available on my firewall. So I'm supposed to drill this out, and then these are supposed to feed through the firewall, and I don't have a template. So that's going to kind of be an issue. And if I print it off of my computer, I don't know if it's going to be to scale. So that's going to be interesting. So basically we got our rubber boot. This has always kind of concerned me a little bit, because on the one that I have for the disc brake pedal, this goes straight. This doesn't dip down. So I'm not 100% sure that this is going to be right. Now, once again, Okay. There we go. It's the washers here and the nuts that are spinning. I'm not 100% sure that this is actually the correct one. So we're going to have to find out and make sure that it is. So these actually are a lot smaller than the threads or the bolts that came with the CSRP kit. So anyway, so there's the unboxing video for this. We've got the brake booster here, and then we got the master cylinder here. And like I said, I'm going to fire up another video here, and we're going to get everything compared so you guys can see the difference between them and all that good stuff. So once again, this is going to be for the my Mustang portion of my channel. I haven't updated anything here for a while. I do have an update on the Mustang running, and we'll cover that as well. So have a good one, guys.